Hello everyone, today we're comparing three popular CAD tools, Qcad, Freecad, and Librecad. Each one serves a different purpose depending on your project needs. We'll look at what makes them unique so you can choose the right one for your work. First, let's talk about Qcad. This tool is mainly for two-dimensional drafting. It's one of the oldest and most stable options available today. The main strength of Qcad is it's polished. It feels very professional and the interface is clean. It's easier to learn than most CAD programs because the menus are organized logically. While there is a free version, the best features are kept in the paid professional version. If you do 2D work for a living and want a smooth experience without a steep learning curve, the small cost is usually worth it for a time you save. It's perfect for blueprints and technical drawings. Next we have Freecad. This is a completely different beast compared to the others. Freecad is a 3D parametric modeler. This means it's designed for engineering complex parts and mechanical objects in a three-dimensional space. You can change a single measurement in your history, and the whole 3D model updates automatically. It's incredibly powerful and totally free to use forever. The downside is that it's much harder to learn. The interface is crowded with many different buttons, and it can be very frustrating for beginners. It's the best choice if you're into 3D printing or mechanical design. Finally, there's Librecad. This is a totally free open source program. It's built strictly for two-dimensional drawing, just like Qcad. In fact, it was originally based on the Qcad source code. If you need to make simple floor plans or basic layouts without spending any money, this is a great place to start. It's very lightweight, so it runs well on old computers. However, it lacks some of the modern features and file support found in Qcad. It's a community project, so the look is a bit dated, but it gets the job done. In short, choose Qcad for professional 2D experience, use Freecad if you need complex 3D models, and pick Librecad for simple and free 2D tool. If you found the video helpful, please make sure to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.